an issue that I think needs an urgent attention, I guess I'd put it.
Yeah, so were you looking to do a consultation with us? Hello, sir?
Yeah, I've got a disability. You're going to have to be patient with me, or or you've got to elevate it to someone else, okay?
That's all right.
I am a philanthropist and humanitarian. I started an art project here in Portland, working with local homeless artists. One artist disclosed to me a very serious situation he has going on involving an illegal search and seizure. I did some research and his claims were valid, and it's actually linked to an ongoing whistleblower claim about police corruption in, I believe, Clackamas County. It's either Clackamas County or Deschutes County in Oregon.
Yes, are you calling on behalf of the artist?
I am calling on behalf of this individual, and this is way above what I can handle. I need somebody to take this case away from me and get him representation.
All right, so the first step is going through the intake process, where I'm going to get some contact information. I'll have you explain a bit what's going on, and then I'm going to send it over to the proper team. So it seems like this is a civil rights matter.
Yep, civil rights and police, whatever the police thing is on your website.
Police misconduct?
Yep.
All right, so can I get your first and last name, sir?
First name is Zachary. Last name is Watson.
And is this the best phone number to reach you at?
This is the best phone number to reach me at, 206-600-8214.
Right, and what's a good email address for you?
Zachary Osa, that's Oscar Sam Alpha, that's my middle name, at watsonep, that's echopapa.com.
Okay, and who are you calling on behalf of?
I'm calling on behalf of an individual named Damien DeJosio.
Could you spell the last name for me, please?
Yep. It is D-E capital G I-O-S-I-O. And first name D-A-M-I-A-N.
Right, and do you happen to know his date of birth at all, or no? It's okay if not.
I do not.
And is he also located in Portland?
He is located in Portland. He is an unhoused individual. I have his phone number, which I can provide to you, but I would not recommend calling him first. He is scared, and I would recommend emailing me or contacting me first before we do a handover.
Okay, so can you explain to me what had happened?
I have a case summary prepared that outlines the situation. Essentially, he was at a rest stop with an acquaintance in a vehicle, a police officer.
You know when this was? Was it
This was 2023 April.
Okay.
A police officer approached the vehicle with gun drawn and flashlight out and proceeded to confiscate all of their belongings, cash, etc. Wrote a false receipt, wrote a false evidence receipt, and Damien never got any of his personal items back, nor the cash. That officer was
implicated. If someone reported them, if there's any specific activity.
That officer has been implicated in other similar cases, and even the public defender, I don't know public defender assigned to Damien's case told Damien that officer had an MO, a modus operandi and had done it multiple times. That police department is now the subject of an ongoing investigation into potential corruption. I will give you the case name in 1 second.
So were there any injuries at all?
Ma'am, give me 1 second, please. That case is Michael Kendall, Michaelkendoll. He is represented by Daniel E. Thenell, Thenell, of the Thenell Law Group. I do not.
That's the name of the officer?
That's the name of the lawyer representing Michael Kennel. Michael Kennel is a police officer and whistleblower against the department.
Were there any injuries to Damien at all?
Yeah, he became homeless after this.
So he was living in the car?
No, he had an apartment.
So how did he become homeless?
They stole his cash, and he lost his phone thereafter. I don't know if the Michael Kendall case is in the same county that the issue with the officer and the illegal search and seizure took place. That, I believe, was in Deschutes County, but I would need to need to be confirmed with Damien.
Right, sir. So I completely understand your frustration where you're coming from. I just unfortunately do not think this is something that our firm will be able to assist with. We are a personal injury firm.
Do you have connections to other firms? I know that your firm was involved in the George Floyd case, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
And I believe you have contacts with firms that represent individuals like George Floyd.
So I can't refer you to anyone. I can recommend that you reach out to the Chicago Bar Association. However, I don't know if that'd be useful in your instance because you're located in Portland.
What's
So
the name of your supervisor?
If you would like to speak to the intake manager, I can transfer you over to her right now.
Yes, I would.
All right. Give me 1 moment.
I would like you to give her a summary so I don't have to repeat. You fucking bitch. For the record, I apologize for that language.
What's his name? Romanucci and Blandin. This is Kathy. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi Kathy. How are you doing today?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
What's your name, sir?
My
so
name's.
I can look up
My name is Zachary Watson.
Zachary Watson. Okay.
I'm going to tell you right off the bat a quick intro.
Okay.
I am just a normal professional and philanthropist. I've worked overseas as an aid worker and manager, and I just started working on a small project supporting some local homeless artists. One of the artists told me, and he's a homeless and unhoused individual, if you guys don't represent those type of people, that's fine. You can just tell me. He's unhoused, he's an artist, and musician. He's battled with addiction, and he is actively trying to get out of his addiction. He faced an illegal search and seizure that is very serious and potentially tied to ongoing corruption issues in the county in which it occurred, which is Deschutes County, Oregon, I believe.
Okay.
I am not qualified to handle this. I need someone to take it over and get Damien a lawyer. I can't do it. I have no expertise in this. I am simply doing this out of kindness for him.
Okay.
I've taken transcripts of our conversations and video. I can provide that. And I've got a case summary outline that I can also send.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about the illegal search and seizure.
I'll mention again that's in my transcripts and video and case summary information. An officer, Damien, was in a vehicle. He may or may not have had drugs on him. I do not know for sure. I can't recall. It's been a lot of information for me to process. An officer, he was in the vehicle simply at a rest stop, trying to rest with a friend of his. At that time, he was employed and battling with addiction as well.
Okay, and was this in Oregon as well?
I believe this was in Deschutes County, Oregon, yes. He was at the rest station for roughly 15 minutes, resting in his car, their intent just to rest for a bit. An Oregon State Police officer approached the vehicle with gun drawn and then proceeded to forcibly enter the vehicle and confiscate all of Damien's personal belongings, including $4,000, as Damien states it, in cash and other items. The officer...
And why did he have so much cash with him?
Ma'am, that is a question you'll have to ask Damien.
Okay, I can ask him.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Again, I am a Good Samaritan agent. That's it.
I'm not suggesting anything further. I just didn't know if you had the information. If you don't have it, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so was what was the date of this incident? Do you know that?
That goes back to April of 2023.
Okay. And has he tried to secure an attorney in Oregon?
He does not have the means to do that. He's had a couple of public defenders. As a fallout of this initial event, he's been arrested 4 or 5 times, including a routine traffic stop that turned into a possession issue, and then multiple failures to appear. And yeah, that's what I know of it.
Okay, so you're looking for somebody from us. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you're looking for us to handle the civil suit aspect of this for the illegal search and seizure, not the criminal defense part, correct?
If that's your firm's specialty, yes. And I've just done I've just done a little bit of research. All I know is that you guys have represented high-profile clients in high-profile cases, and you have worked with other firms in those situations. And I would like to arrange a similar representation or handoff, essentially. He needs legal support. I cannot provide that for him.
So we are not criminal defense attorneys, so that would not be in our arena whatsoever. However, we're civil attorneys. but we're a personal injury civil firm. So if he doesn't have a personal injury that was sustained during the illegal search and seizure, it's not.
He became homeless. He became homeless after this, and has sustained substantial psychological injury. This was his first felony. He served 30 days in jail for that, and then had faced multiple arrests. Does that sound like a personal injury issue? I believe it does. That's why I'm contacting your firm.
It would not be something we would be able to help with, unfortunately.
All right. I would like to say one final thing.
Sure.
I believe that is discrimination, and I am recording this phone call. I would like you to rethink that and get your shit straight. Is that clear, ma'am?
Well, first of all,
I want this in front of a lawyer today,
okay,
and I expect an email. Do you hear me?
No,
Do you hear me?
I don't have your email.
Hey.
I don't have your email address.
Yes, you do. It's in my file. It's Zachary Osa. It is Zachary Osa at watsonep.com.
Thank you very much for your time. Bye now.
Yep, you'll be hearing from me.